Hello, today I'm going to talk about the Trader Joe's organic virgin coconut oil. This is 16 fluid ounces and it's going to melt soon because it's in the sunlight. So I'll talk quick. It's very easy to, you just put it in the refrigerator and it goes back to being a solid. But they're both useful depending on what you want to do. Let me show you here. So coconut oil itself is white here when it's already melting, but as you can see, it is clear color when it's melted. So that's kind of the idea you get when you look at it. That's what it looks like when it's half melted. So is certified organic. I love that about this. Organic products are the best, cold pressed and refined. The ingredients are basically just organic virgin coconut oil, so that's always good when it's that simple. You health gurus will know what I mean. Contains coconuts, which I love. It's a product of Sri Lanka. Coconut oil is very mild and it works really well with a variety of cooking. So it's considered to be a very healthy fat. It's very stable and it heats up really, really well. So it's really good if you're frying things and you don't want that really greasy thing, but you know, that feel like I love cooking scrambled eggs in it because it just makes the eggs all like light and not held down by greasy oil. It also is really great for your skin. I put it on my acne and that's called oil cleansing. Coconut oil is a great cleanser. It has a lot of antibacterial properties and cleansing properties and oil pulling. I don't know if you've heard of that, but I often do oil pulling where you swish it around in your mouth for about 20 minutes straight and then, you spit it out. Yeah, look into oil pulling, and coconut oil is usually what people use for that. It tastes pretty good too, so it's not a disgusting thing, especially if you like coconuts. I like to snack on it. It's been debunked that, fat is bad for you. Now it's supposed to be very good for you. And eating oil is actually okay, surprisingly. I like it as a snack here and there, and there's nothing wrong with eating it. I use it as a hair mask, so it really helps moisturize my hair because coconut oil is very hydrating and very moisturizing, and it really helps nourish my scalp. So I do get dandruff sometimes, and coconut oil really helps eliminate that. I do put it on my stretch marks. I've, gone through some weight loss, yay! And I use it as massage oil as well. It's very soothing. So coconut oil, has a lot of cleansing properties. It also helps neutralize bad breath. So if you're dealing, you're on a date and you're cooking in someone's kitchen with them, say it's that kind of date or whatever, you can grab some coconut oil. I know Trader Joe's also has little packets of coconut oil that you can use with you too. I wouldn't say only use it for bad breath though. It comes in handy for a lot of things, obviously. And coconuts are a favorite of mine. They're just so great. They smell so good and they taste so good. Coconut products are the best. Coconut milk, coconut water, and this coconut oil is the bomb. And when it's dry, if you keep it in a cool place, it really makes good lip balm. So you can use it on your lips if you have chapped lips. It's great for dry skin, for hydrating your skin. Every evening I use a little bit of castor oil and a lot of coconut oil to remove my makeup and to do some skin treatments. It's also great for digestive issues, so if you're a little stopped up, take a few spoonfuls of coconut oil and it should be gone in no time. So coconut oil to me is a kitchen essential. I no longer cook with corn oil or vegetable oil, and it comes in a glass jar here. So you can reuse this, and I definitely do. When it's over, I wash it out, and then there's the black lid here. And as you can see, put this on here. Just a screw on top. There we go. So it's fairly heavy because it's pretty full here, but I always buy this. So this is pretty new. As you can see, it was really full up to the top. I think I've only made one dish with it, and so far with this one. And it's just a nice, like, also the artwork on here. I love Trader Joe's artwork, but I just think it's really cool how they have the white label look. So the coconuts are grown in the Philippines and it's processed in the USA. Trader Joe's began in the 50s. And it's a grocery store, but over time the company has just expanded. And I'm obsessed with their products. Most of them are really, really healthy. And they also cater to a lot of vegans. I am not a vegan myself, but I have a lot of vegan friends who love Trader Joe's. So if you're vegan, you should definitely check them out. But also just if you're looking for a nice new coconut oil product, this is my favorite. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you check out coconut oil, especially this one.